Hey guys, today we're going to bake a cupcake using a cake mixture. So the ingredients to bake is we got the powder for the cupcake, and we need 3 eggs. Then we need some cupcake holders. Then we need a pan. Then we need a bowl. Then we need also a stir and spatula. Then we have the strainer. Then we have some oil, vegetable oil, and water. So first we're going to add some of the wet ingredients. So let's add the water first. Then we're going to add the eggs. Okay, then I put it here. You slowly pour it into the bowl. Okay, then you try to mix it. Okay, once you're done with that, you want to add the powder. You want to use this so that you can make sure that the powder is good and there's no chunks. Then I'm going to slowly okay, I'm done right now to pour the powder. Then next we need to mix all the ingredients. Mix it real good. You want to mix all the ingredients so that you'll get a proper mixture. Okay, after you mix, you want to pour into a container so that it's easier to put into the pan. But first, it's optional if you want to put the cupcake liner in the pan or not. But I'm deciding to put it in the cupcake liner into the pan. So I'm almost done putting all the cupcake liner into the pan. After you put all the cupcake liner into the pan, what you want to do is slowly put it into the pan. Don't put too much, otherwise it will flow. So carefully put the mixture into the cupcake. You do not want to spill it. Then if you have some leftovers, check back where some of the cupcakes have less, then you need to put some more. That's enough. Then this one needs. Okay. As you see, all the cupcakes, all the cupcakes here are perfectly put, and so we're done pouring all the mixture to the cupcake liner. Now we're going to put in the oven for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Before we bake the cupcake into the oven, first we need to preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Then we have to wait for 10 minutes. Okay, after preheating the oven, you must put the pan into the oven, but before you do that, you must wear mittens because the oven is very hot. Now what you want to do is carefully place it inside the oven. Be careful when you put it inside. Then you close it, and then we have to wait. We have to put it there for 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, so the cupcakes are baked after 35 minutes. Now let's take them. Make sure you have your ovens on, mittens on. The cupcakes. Okay, so after we took out the cupcakes, now we need to take a toothpick and make a hole on one cupcake to see if the bottom is cooked yet. As you see, it's not wet. We know if it's not cooked when it's wet at the bottom, but it's not. So like, okay, it's done. So we're gonna try and see if the cupcake is good, but I'm going to ask someone to eat it. Daddy, come here. Can you try my masterpiece?
Okay. Hi everybody. Okay. Smells good.
Goodbye.
But let's see if this is delicious. Wow. Fantastic. Yummy.
Thank you.
Good job, Lynette.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and hope to see you again. Bye.